Good. Well, we're about to play one of the songs from one of the videos you got out. It's the cover of the Depeche Mode song "Strangelove." Give us a little background on this right quick before we play it.
Okay. Well, it's kind of a funny story because that's one of Joanna's favorite bands. And like I said, I grew up more digging the rock, classic rock, old Motown. That's what I grew up with.
Right.
And when she told me she wanted to do a remake of that song, I heard it. And no disrespect to them, they're good for what they do, but I was thinking that's not my bag. I told her it'd be a cold day in hell before I do a remake of that. I literally said that. And she goes, well, you need to listen to my idea for an arrangement.
Right.
And I went down there just, to be respectful and give her a chance on her idea. And we started messing with it, and I realized she really rocked it out on her arrangements. And then I started coming up with ideas to change it. And in about an hour, we're like, well, wait a minute, this is really something special. This is quite a remake that we're doing. So I basically loved it, and we've been using that at our live shows, and of course made a video of it, and people really dig that version that we do. Well, we rock it up more, though. You'll hear it.
All right. Well, Abe, I appreciate you being with us this morning and talking with us about the state of the music industry. And here we are with Strangelove by, who are you guys again? Tell everybody.
Glasspirits.
Glasspirits.com
is our website. You can find us, Glasspirits, on Facebook and all around the social media. YouTube, all of that.
Sounds good. Here they are.
When my crimes will seem almost unforgivable, I give in to sin because you have to make this life livable. But when you think I've had enough from your sea of love, I'll take more than another river full, yes, and I'll make it all worthwhile. I'll make your heart smile. Strange love, strange highs and strange lows, strange love. That's how my love goes. Strange love. Will you give it to me? Will you take the pain? I will give to you again and again. Will you turn it?
I just put their website in there.
When I stray, I may appear to be constantly out of reach. I give in to sin because I like to practice what I preach. I'm not trying to say I'll have it all my way. I'm always willing to learn when you got something to teach. Oh, and I'll make it all worthwhile. I'll make your heart smile. Pain, will you return it? I'll say it again, pain. Pain, will you return it? I won't say it again. Strange love, strange highs and strange lows. Strange love, that's how my love goes. Strange love, will you give it to me? Will you take the pain? I will give to you again and again. Will you return it?
There you go, Glasspirits and Strangelove on 99.1 FM. Rise and Shine Morning Show on Fringe Radio Network, a remake of a Depeche Mode song. Thanks to Abe there for being our guest this morning, talking about the music industry and this pandemic going on and everything. So you guys get and support them. I put their page in there, Glasspirits.com. You guys check it out. You can check out the whole video. It's Glasspirits.com. Joanna Glass Abe Perez. Music with no boundaries, music for everyone. Their cover and everything's right there. Check it out. Photos and everything. When they get back out, I want you guys to support them. It did sound a great night. She had a voice. And you know what Abe don't understand, once they're up there playing with the big boys, they're going to end up having bass players and keyboard players and everything pretty soon. Yep, they'll hire everybody to be with them. But it's so good with the two of them. It's awesome. I appreciate Abe as well. What's up, Amy? Good morning to you. What's up, Petra? Music Box. Petra's on with us. Amy, thank you for joining us. It's the Rise and Shine Morning Show. We're going to take another short break here. When we return on the Rise and Shine Morning Show, well, we're going to talk a little bit about one sex expert says that if you don't have relations with that special someone when she's on her, has her Aunt Flo visiting, that you might as well kick that man to the curb if he don't want you while Aunt Flo visits. We'll talk about that coming up.